Hi everyone, my name is Lucan, and in this demo I'll walk you through what SeekLab is, how it works, and how we've built the platform. So to start off, SeekLab is a contingency recruiting marketplace where a community of vetted recruiters compete to fill roles posted by our clients. Our goal is to combine marketplace dynamics with automation and AI to make hiring dramatically faster, cheaper, and more scalable. To start off, the process for a recruiter to start working on the platform is very easy. All we ask is for the recruiter to sign up, create an account, sign a contract with us, and then start applying to the roles that they want to source for. Beyond that, we review each application internally to make sure only the best recruiters are assigned to each search. Over time, this review process will be automated using performance metrics that we already collect, such as conversion rates, interview ratios, and overall success rate. After approval, each recruiter receives a limited number of candidate submissions slots per week. The goal is to encourage thoughtful, high-quality submissions rather than volume. So going through the platform, the Open Jobs page is the page that recruiters are most likely to land on. This is a page for us to post the roles that we're currently hiring for and allow recruiters to get a sense of the types of roles, industries, clients that we're servicing. When you go ahead and click into a role, now at first recruiters will not be able to see all of the details like company name and whatnot before they've actually applied and been approved to work on this role. But beyond that, we share as much information that we've collected from the client regarding job details, must-have requirements, screening questions, company information, interview processes, and everything else in between. Going back to the submissions, this is where you can go ahead and submit your candidates. Now, there are two main ways that you can do this. Either you can submit the candidate information manually or send the candidate a referral link so they submit their own information. Both processes require some level of verification. So if candidates have been submitted manually by the recruiter, the candidate needs to confirm that submission. And if the candidate has applied, then the recruiter has to confirm before that candidate appears in the client dashboard. Now, both clients and recruiters also get access to their own dashboard. On the recruiter side, this serves as a way for them to track the roles that they're working on the Open Roles tab, as well as the candidates that they've submitted on the Candidates tab. The Candidates tab on the recruiter side is a very simple ATS that allows recruiters to kind of just view what stage of the process candidates are in, either in a list view or in a pipeline view, as well as click into candidates, view the details that have been submitted. Pick a better example here, such as their experience summary, screening questions, key information, basically all of the information that clients require to be able to make decisions on these candidates, as well as an AI analysis that we run that kind of compares the candidate information to the role to get a sense as to whether they're a good fit for that role or not. On the client side, things are formatted almost the exact same way. The only difference is clients obviously have the ability to move candidates into different stages, as well as request to interview them with times or Calendly links, whatever's easiest, as well as reject candidates with specific feedback as to why they might not have been a fit for that role. The last feature on these dashboards is the messaging tab. So for each role that gets posted, we kind of create a group channel where both recruiters and clients can communicate around the job details or candidates that have been submitted. So this is an example of what that might look like. You can view, obviously here you can see like recruiters asking various questions regarding like the candidates that they've submitted, maybe they need clarifying information the candidates have asked for, and then clients can do the same thing when candidates get submitted. So this has been a very good way for us admins to communicate with recruiters and give feedback and kind of keep the search evolving as time goes on and as we better understand the client needs. This is actually also a feature that we are looking to augment by using like an activity feed for each candidate that gets submitted. So this would be a great way for both clients and recruiters to keep track of the timeline for that candidate, and as well as have like specific messaging questions and notes on a per candidate level, rather than just on a per role level. So yeah, that about wraps up the tour for SeekLab. So thank you so much for watching.